phones out here. So today it is a lucky day today on why we got ourselves a Sonys speaker. And today we're gonna be setting up the bass and ULT. So the only thing I'm testing out is the bass and the ULT because I love the design. I'm pretty sure to keep it forever. Oh, test. Okay, let's go. I'm pretty sure I have Sony tech, my Sony PlayStation, my Sony. You remember my Sony speaker? The small one. This speaker here. You guys want to see it? Compare them both and see what's going well. So I'm pretty sure I got that from my friend because my friend really wants to connect it. So I'm not going to be connecting it today. So I'm about to connect it. So make sure to watch out the latest YouTube. So if you want to watch me do the sound, I'm pretty sure I don't think I can connect it with PC because Sony actors. I'm pretty sure to test out on my phone before I forget the voice. Because I think you can switch devices anytime you want. I'm gonna make sure this is the right one. Oh, they got its weight. Yeah. I just want to make sure this is white. Because the problem is about the white one because I love white. Because, well, white is a pretty good color. And it's so cute. I love that. And I love it. You guys can have it. Like, it comes wrapped in a plate. Oh. Hey, the speaker's gonna be pretty cute. Oh my god. It is so beautiful. Look at the design. Bass. I remember the bass I got from the black one. That's why I skipped the black one because now that I call black a twice. Twice new black and hello white. Pretty sure I'm gonna find it. Oh, you guys remember this iPad mini 3? That guy's story. I have an idea too. I don't know what I'm gonna do this stupid thing, so I just I might throw it in the trash maybe soon. So I don't know what I'm gonna do. Do I replace the mini 3 or what? I'm pretty sure I have another one. Oh, look! Samsung broken. The black phone. Broke the black phone. Now we need to find his base. Here, guys. Please subscribe so I can find this base. You gotta subscribe so I can find the base part. So I can see the black base compared to the white. Sorry, I have too many stuff, so it's pretty hard to find. iPhone 6. US guys, I'm pretty sure I'll buy another 6. I might replace one, but I might change the color, guys. So make sure to subscribe to my setup if you want to see, the color changed iPhone. I'm pretty sure I have to mod it back, so you have to do some mods for the iPhone 6. It may take a long time. I'm taking long because of the iPhone piece. Hey guys, we're not here. Oh my god, these are my glasses. 3D glasses for 3DS, and it works really fine. But I can't play Minecraft because unfortunately it wants me put digital apps. I don't have an account for it. I know that they don't have it Amazon, so you have to buy them refurbished. 3DS is always refurbished. One of the most common refurbished. Even got refurbished earpods too. No, not refurbished. My earpods were pleased. Oh look, broken iPhone 6. Pretty sure the iPhone SE different to iPhone 6. I got both of so compared to 6. Yes. Let me take out some stuff. You guys, I guess I can't find this. I did throw down the garbage, no, I did not. Okay guys, I have to stop because I can't find the base. Here is the base part. Pretty sure we got the base. The black one. Compared to the white one. I'm gonna be careful, but I'm gonna do that. Let's test test out the base. Let's see that. But I didn't even bought this one. So we tried to pick it out and I grabbed it, so I can test out the speaker. And I'm pretty sure the speaker's gonna be really test. So let's see. Okay, so the power on changed. Now let's turn on the black one. Okay, I'm actually turned off. This one makes it has like battery. Okay, there we go. Dude, is there about like little stuff? Oh no. Okay, you see that red thing? Yeah. Small speaker. It's easy ULT. I'm pretty sure to connect it to my SC, but I do have to silence the Samsung. I have an idea. This phone doesn't even Sonys. I will use my other iPhone. Now, let's go. Oh yeah, it's gotta be like right over there. There we go. You know what? I'm not putting the app. Now, it's time to test out ULT. Let me see. ULT. Sony has been the biggest band for almost a year. Now I'm kind of interested on that thing. Let's go play Venom. Now let's type in some. Here's it. me see if I can get the music. Now I am playing the Roblox elevator music. So let's know this goes. I love how the late light goes cool.
Roll the drums.
We are going to play a typical number with a typical amount of loud and low passage.
Okay guys, I've come out to my cut. Now let's press the other one. Let's see how good the other one goes. Okay, the speaker just died. But to me soon, guys. That was a really good video. Now, yes, make sure to subscribe. I really like this video and hope to see you soon. Now, bye-bye.